Are you tired of the same old snacks? Let's shake things up with some quick and healthy snacks you never saw coming. First up, have leftover avocado. Instead of tossing it, mix it with Greek yogurt for a creamy dip. This two-ingredient wonder tackles the problem of bland snacks. Just grab some veggies or whole grain crackers, and you've got a protein-packed snack that's bursting with flavor. Plus, the healthy fats from the avocado keep you satisfied longer. Next, let's talk apples. Slice them up, then dip them in a mixture of nut butter and a sprinkle of cinnamon. This addresses the need for a sweet treat without the sugar crash. The fiber from the apple and protein from the nut butter will keep your energy steady. Finally, how about popcorn? Instead of butter, try drizzling it with a little balsamic vinegar and sprinkling some nutritional yeast on top. This solves the problem of unhealthy movie snacks while adding a cheesy flavor without the calories. These snack hacks are not just creative, they're also nutritious and super easy to whip up. So ditch the boring snacks and give these a try. Your taste buds will thank you.